Hello and welcome back to Tech for Teachers. This evening we have for you the website and app GooseChase. GooseChase is an online platform that helps you run a real-world scavenger hunt and that you can create yourself with your own questions, your own images, etc. And it's just a great opportunity, whether it's in your own classroom or whether it's for maybe it's for a professional development with teachers, to just get people up and moving, to learn in a little bit different way. And, rather than just the regular sit and get that you might get in a lecture classroom. So, um, great way to change things up. So to come in, you obviously have to make an account, and you'll need to do this online. You'll need to do this through the web. So you come in, you create a game info, you can add an image, choose the name, describe it, and as we continue forward, you start to start missions. And so a mission is like the question that you want answered. So for instance, a goose egg, what do you call a young baby goose? Follow the link to get a hint. So, and then you can add accepted answers. You can have students take a picture, or staff take a picture. So for instance, if you were trying to, maybe you hid things around the school, maybe you made students take a picture of a certain person, or something like that. Maybe they have to go take a picture of another teacher or of an administrator. Maybe students have to answer a question based off of a hint that they get from another staff member. So you can go through, you can edit the questions, you can add pictures, like I said, you can attach a link, so many opportunities. And as you go through, then you can see the point values, you can keep track of everyone's points. Now, students or teachers, the participants in the GooseChase, they will need to have the app on their phone. So it's available on Android or iOS. So you can just go to the App Store, type in GooseChase. It's available, easy to download. And for my students, we don't usually get on our phones during class, so that's kind of a fun piece of this as well, is they get to be on their phones, take pictures with their phones. And a lot of times it says, hey, include everyone in your group in this picture. And that's a really fun way for all students to get involved. So take a look at GooseChase. Great way to do things with your educational stakeholders and show them the way that we can use technology, as well as model for colleagues and students just the unique ways that you can use tech in the classroom. That's ISTE 2.2a and 2.2c. So check out GooseChase.